Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving whether the phone, cable, or charger is at fault. Use 2 different cables and 1 trusted wall adapter. If charging resumes, a cable or charger was the problem. Next, power off and inspect the port. Carefully clear lint or debris with a toothpick or a burst of compressed air. Once done, boot into safe mode to confirm no third-party app is faking charging status. That separates hardware from software causes and sets up the correct next steps. You now tackle software. Open settings and review battery usage and health to spot apps showing unusual drain, uninstall or restrict any culprit. Clear the system cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files, and if the problem began after an update, remove that update where possible. For calibration, charge to 100%, then use the phone until it shuts down, and charge uninterrupted to 100%. This helps the battery meter read more accurately. You finish by validating fixes and choosing repair. Test with another charger that matches the original volts and amps. Use a USB power meter to confirm real current flow. If the port shows physical damage or the device still reports fake charging after swaps, consider replacing the port or getting board-level repair, because charging IC faults mimic ghost charging. Finally, if nothing else works, back up your data and perform a factory reset. Troubleshooting tip: if charging stops intermittently, check for heat. Thermal throttling can mask a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.